Geetech was kind enough to send me a roll of filament to try out. I decided to put it to good use and explore how 3D printing can benefit my gardening endeavors. After some research and testing, I found 5 practical and innovative 3D prints that can make gardening more efficient and enjoyable. Here are my top 5 picks. Print number 1 on my list is the common Unbreakable Shovel by Starlord 909. Gardeners know the importance of a sturdy shovel, especially when dealing with tough soil or heavy planting tasks. This 3D printed shovel is designed to be both durable and lightweight, making it an ideal tool for any gardener. The design is straightforward yet effective, ensuring that it won't snap under pressure. I found that printing it with a higher infill percentage increases strength, making it comparable to traditional metal shovels. Plus, the convenience of printing a new one, if it ever does wear out, is a significant advantage. Print number 2, Irrigation Stakes by Brian Enigma. Efficient watering is crucial for a thriving garden, and these 3D printed irrigation stakes can help achieve just that. They are designed to direct water right to the roots of your plant, minimizing wastage and ensuring that your plants get the moisture they need. Using these stakes, I was able to set up a simple yet effective irrigation system by connecting them to a drip line. I could ensure a consistent water supply, which is especially beneficial during dry spells or when I'm away on vacation. These stakes are easy to print and require very little filament. The stakes will help me direct the water to the exact spot where it is needed. Print number 3 is the Slug Fence by Loafer's Lodge. One of the biggest challenges in gardening is dealing with the pests, and slugs are often a gardener's nemesis. The Slug Fence is a clever 3D printed design to keep the pest at bay. It forms a barrier around your plant, preventing slugs and snails from reaching and damaging them. I printed the fence to use around my passion vine. The slugs and snails in my garden love this vine the most. I have several protective devices, including copper mesh, and this fence will be a last line of defense. The design is simple yet effective, with a shape that slugs find difficult to navigate. It's a non-toxic and environmentally friendly way to protect your plants, and it can be easily expanded or adjusted as needed. Print number 4 is the Dibbler by SD3D. Planting seedlings at the correct depth is crucial for sustained growth to maturity, and the Garden Dibbler is an excellent tool for this task. This 3D printed tool helps create uniform holes for planting seedlings, ensuring consistent planting depth and spacing. The Garden Dibbler I printed has several depth settings, making it useful for different types of seedlings. Using it made planting quicker and more precise, which is particularly useful when sowing large numbers of seedlings. It's a simple tool that can make a big difference in the success of your garden. Print number 5 are the plant clips by G4ZO. Supporting plants as they grow is essential to prevent damage and promote healthy growth. These 3D printed plant clips are designed to gently hold stems and branches, providing support without harming the plant. I use these clips for my passion vines, which tend to grow tall and need extra support. They are easy to print in various sizes to accommodate different plant types. The clips are reusable and can be adjusted or repositioned as needed, making them a practical addition to any gardener's toolkit. 3D printing offers a world of possibilities for gardeners, providing tools and solutions that can enhance the gardener's experience. The first prints I tested, the common Unbreakable Shovel, Irrigation Stakes, Slug Fence, Garden Dibbler, and plant clips, demonstrate the versatility and practicality of 3D printing in the garden. Each of these prints addresses a specific need, from efficient watering and pest control to precise planting and plant support. The ability to customize and print tools as needed is a significant advantage, offering a level of convenience and innovation that traditional gardening tools can't match. Whether you're an experienced gardener or just starting out, incorporating 3D printing tools into the garden routine can save time, improve efficiency, and make gardening more enjoyable. I'm grateful to Geetech for providing the filament that made this exploration possible. And I'm excited to see what other gardening solutions 3D printing can offer in the future. By embracing this technology, we can cultivate healthier, more productive gardens while also enjoying the creativity and satisfaction that comes with 3D printing our own tools. That's all for today's video, and happy gardening.